how I learned to speak English alone at home. Let me share something real with you 3 years ago. I wanted to speak English, but I was completely alone. No English teacher, no friend to practice with. Just me, my small bedroom, and my phone. But deep inside, I had this voice that said, "You can do it. Just try." So I began. The first thing I did was, I started talking to myself. Yes, I spoke out loud, even when no one was there. Every morning, I would wake up, look at the window, and say, "Good morning, today is sunny." Then I'd go to the bathroom and say, "I'm brushing my teeth, now I'm washing my face." But that's the secret. Speak what you know. Don't wait to be perfect. "I'm going to eat breakfast." It was simple English, nothing difficult. At first, it felt strange. I laughed at myself. But after a few days, I noticed something. Speaking English started to feel normal. My mouth moved faster. My mind started to think in English a little, and that gave me confidence. Then, I thought, how do babies learn a language? They don't study grammar books or rules. They just listen. A lot. So I started listening like a child. I searched for beginner English stories on YouTube. Simple cartoons, short podcast episodes with slow voices, even English songs with subtitles. I didn't understand every word, and that's okay. I just listened. I let my ears learn. And after 1 month, I could recognize common words like because, I want to, like, I don't know, let's go. It was exciting. It felt like I was building a new language in my brain, just from listening. After that, I started reading very easy stories every day. Not long books, just small stories with 5 or 6 sentences. For example, Tom wakes up, he eats an egg, he goes to work, he comes home, he's tired. I read them aloud, again and again, and slowly I started to remember sentence patterns. I go to work, she eats lunch, they're tired. Reading like this helped me understand how English sentences work. And I didn't even study grammar rules. Then I found something amazing. It's called shadowing. Here's what I did. I played a short English video, like a conversation between 2 people. I listened to one sentence. I paused. Then I said the same sentence, just like them. If they said, "I'm going to the store," I said, "I'm going to the store." "I'm hungry." Same speed, same emotion, same pronunciation. It felt like I was training with a native speaker in my own room. And little by little, I stopped thinking in my own language. I started thinking in English. Before, my brain would say, then I'd try to translate. How do I say that in English? But now, my brain just says, "I'm hungry." That's when I knew I was getting better. I also used my phone. It became my best English tool. I changed my phone's language to English. I downloaded dictionary apps and listened to words with sound. I even used my voice recorder. Every night I recorded myself talking about my day. Every day like this. Today, I went to the market. I bought rice. I cooked lunch. I feel tired now. Then I listened to myself. I could hear my own mistakes and I fixed them. Finally, I made a rule. Just 10 minutes a day. Even if I was tired, even if I was busy, I said, just 10 minutes. And I did it. Some days I listened, but real, fluent, understandable. Some days I spoke. Some days I read. Some days I shadowed. But I never stopped. And you know what? After a few months, I could speak English with confidence, not perfect. That's why I'm sharing this with you now. Because I know you can do it too. Even if you're alone. Even if you're shy. Even if you don't feel ready. Just begin. Speak out loud. Listen like a child. Read small stories. Copy native speakers. Think in English. Use your phone. Make it a habit. And most of all, don't give up. I'm not special. I just kept going. And I believe you can too. Start today, my friend. Speak 1 sentence. That's all. Then, speak another tomorrow. You are already becoming a fluent English speaker. 1 word at a time.